Hi and welcome. So I bought this Tchibo coffee maker about a year and 2 or 3 weeks ago. So the warranty just expired. I've already gone through a few issues and had support help me get it working again. But right after the warranty expired, the coffee grinder decided to stop working. So I went through all the process I've seen on other YouTube videos to clean out the thing on the side over here and go up inside with the brushes and clean all that out and try to clear the area around the grinder. But it still continued to sound very sluggish and basically make extremely weak coffee. But since the warranty is up, I'm pretty much out of luck unless I come up with a new method of fixing this thing. So what I did was I bought an OXO grinder and a different coffee maker, and it seems to work just fine. So in one last effort to fix this one, I thought, well, you know what? I'll just try a new method. So here's my new method. See, now it's perfect. And it goes right where it belongs, in the trash can.